Hi, grade 2. Welcome to Writer's Workshop. Today, we're going to look at how we can make our opinion writing even stronger. Let's get started. Opinion writing. I can give examples to support my opinion. This is what our goal is for today. How can writers support their opinion? Through examples. Let's see what I mean. We'll go to our mentor text. Here is an opinion essay that a student wrote about school uniforms. Try to see what is the student's opinion, what reasons do they give, and do they make their reasons even stronger through examples. School uniforms. Do you and your parents argue in the morning about what you wear to school? Mornings might be easy if there wasn't a choice about what to wear. Many kids don't like the idea of school uniforms, but I think it would make life easier for kids. School uniforms are easier for families. When schools have uniforms, every student wears the same clothes. This makes fewer morning fights between parents and kids. Kids understand that wearing the uniform is a school rule. If they don't follow the rule, they can get into trouble. Wearing school uniforms makes mornings smoother in every kid's house. Another great thing about school uniforms is that they save families money. Parents don't have to worry about buying lots of outfits for school. They only need to buy a few uniforms and wash them over and over. Kids won't beg for expensive, cool clothes since they can't wear them. If parents save money, they may be able to spend it on other things kids want. What do you think about wearing school uniforms? Would having to wear the chosen clothes make your life any easier? As you can see, I believe that we should have school uniforms. Write to your principal today to ask for your school to choose school uniforms. That was a very good essay written by a student. Now, let's go back to her essay and see what about it makes it strong. Did she convince you? Maybe, maybe not. But we can all agree that it's a strong opinion essay. What makes it strong? She clearly states her opinion. Look in paragraph 1. Can you see the opinion statement? I'll highlight it and see if you found it. And we agree that this is the opinion statement. Many kids don't like the idea of school uniforms, but I think it would make life easier for kids. Very good. This is the opinion statement, and she says it clearly. I think it would make life easier for kids when we wear school uniforms. Now, unless she gives some good reasons, well, we may not believe her. Let's see what reason that she states in this first half. School uniforms are easier. All right. It makes life easier because it's easier for the whole of the family. That's great that she believes that uniforms are easier for families, but I'm not convinced yet. I need an example. I need her to prove it and show me. That's showing how it's easier. That is what we call an example. Let's see if you can find an example in her writing. This is what I found. She gives the example that when every student wears the same clothes, then you know what? Families don't need to argue. children don't need to argue with their parents. Parents don't need to argue with the children about what to wear because uniforms are the school rule. Boom, it's done. That's a very powerful example for how it makes life easier. And making life easier is the reason for her opinion. In the second half, she gives another reason. Can you find it in the second paragraph? This is what I found. She gives the reason that wearing uniforms to school will help families save money. And then my question again is how? The how is the example. How does it help families save money? Can you find the example in this paragraph? Here's what I found. They only need to buy a few uniforms and wash them over and over. See, there's no expensive clothes. You just buy a few uniforms, wash them over and over. You're not having to buy lots and lots of different kinds of clothes. It's very convincing, and she's come up with some really good examples for her reasons. So her reason is it saves family money, and her example is they just can wash the uniform over and over. Last time in Writer's Workshop, you wrote your opinion on a planning chart, and then you wrote 2 reasons. Today, we're going to go back to that slide 6, and we're going to fill in the rest of the chart. It's like this. Miss Andrea's opinion is that every family should plan a camping trip for the next vacation. A camping trip. Well, it's not convincing unless I give reasons. My reason 1 was that camping is less expensive than other vacations. My reason 2 was that not having internet while camping leads to more quality family time. Now that I've come up with 2 reasons for my opinion, well, I need to go back and think, well, what is an example? If camping is less expensive than other vacations, how can I prove it? How does camping make a vacation less expensive? Well, here's what I was thinking. There's a campground near my house, so we don't have to pay for an airline ticket. Also, we will not need to pay for expensive hotels. Eating at restaurants can get pricey, but if we go camping, we can just bring our own food. Those are good examples for how a camping vacation will be less expensive. Now, what about my reason 2? Not having internet leads to more family quality time. I can say that, but what's my example to show? Here's what I was thinking. We won't be able to use our tablets or our phones, and this will give us more time to talk to each other. Since we can't play games on our electronics, well, we can spend the time playing board games together as a family. When you go camping, you're out in the wilderness. There's no internet connection. So I think that these are examples that will help support my reason of how it will lead to better family time. What do you think? Now it's your turn. I want you to go back to your opinion writing notebook that you saved on Google Drive. Please do not open a new opinion writing notebook. We always go back to the one we've already opened, and we just revise whichever assignment is for that day. I want you to look at the reasons you came up with last time and then give an example for each reason. Once you're done, if you have extra time, keep writing. It's Writer's Workshop. You can have a choice to either write in your writing journal or go slide in your opinion writing notebook, all the pages after slide 28 is space for you to write whatever you want to write about, although I'm hoping it will focus on opinion writing. But there's pages for you to write. Or you can choose this would you rather fun opinion writing. You just click, make your own copy, look at the would you rather question, type your answer, and then explain using reasons, details, or examples. Have fun writing grade 2. I'll see you soon.